this morning. We'll see how long we can go there. It's supposed to maybe rain today. I'll show you what we're doing here. We're gonna be fixing this up. We'll be doing over on the other side here too. So we'll get it going. I'll show you guys in a bit. Should be a nice day. No sun, but supposed to maybe rain, but we'll still enjoy it. Okay, see you guys. All right. Pretty big job here this morning. We'll get it done though. So it hasn't started raining yet. It's supposed to rain today. Show you guys here on the other side what it looks like. Look at this big pile. Look how that crazy. I'll show you guys over here. I don't think it's been done 3-4 years. Come out good though, looks good. Alright, let's see what we got going on over here. I'll go show you guys on the other side. Alright, all done. Off to the next one. Alright, well it started raining. Alright, I'll show you guys what we got going on here. There, we just did 3 of them. 3 neighbors. Places we've been doing for a long time. They look really good. Really nice hedges. I'll show you guys over on the neighbor's side. Look how nice that looks. Got the hat on because it's raining. Alright, look at that. You got a big curve here because of the not enough sunlight. This here looks good though. Show you guys out back behind the pool. Look at that. See the rain's coming down. I don't know if the camera's catching it, picking it up. We'll probably end up stopping here pretty soon. Let me show you over on the other side here. Looks really good. All right. All right, out to the next one. I'll go show you guys out back here. Il doit être à côté du garage, mais... Alright, we're just finishing up here. Look at this nice big wall. Look how nice that is. See, it's wet on the ground. Not very nice, pretty gray out. So we're just finishing up in the corner there. See, over on this side, it's growing under the tree, so it doesn't grow as well. Because if you look at this side and you compare to the other side, look how nice that is. The difference is because of the trees here, all these trees here. All right, we just finished this one. Look at this big dent here. This is crazy. All right, out back looks good though. Let's get out back here, get it done. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Look at this. It's a nice one. It's a nice big one. See the angles we got there. I'll show you guys the angles on the side. Looks nice, looks like stairs. Look, see right there? We got one right there. Then we got another one right there. Makes it look nice. All right, we'll go to the next one. This is what we're gonna fix up right here. It's all done. It's going down the stairs. Hope you guys enjoy this stuff. We like showing you guys what we do. That's a good one here. We'll get her done. We've been doing it for years. Show you guys on the other side here. It's a good one. Coming along. I'll go show you guys on the other side. That came out really good. That was a big one. All right. Off to the next one. Hopefully the next one will be a bit smaller. All right, we're just finishing up here. Looking really good. I'll go up on the porch, show you guys what it looks like. Looks really good. Even the kids have beautiful toys. All right. What do you think? New York City, $2,000 a month? $3,000 a month? For an apartment? A bachelor apartment in New York City. About the same size. All right, off to the next one. All right, we just finished this one up here. That's a good little one, this one. Pretty hard to do. It wasn't the easiest thing to do. Looks good. It was a rough one. Pretty hard one to do. All right. See you guys next one. It's a bit difficult to do. So you got this nice little hole right there. I'll go show you guys from the porch what it looks like. It's a little bit more difficult to do, but we have the boom trucks to do it. Non, non, on a un gars qui s'en vient de ramasser.
Ouais, hein, il doit y avoir une usine de...
Alright, that's it. We're all done here. Next job. Look at what we got here this morning. Alright. Here we go. We got this big one here. It goes all the way around the pool. Both sides. There's a pool inside here. I'll walk around, I'll show you guys. It goes all the way around. Show you guys all around. Oh, we just finished up a client here. Hey, look at this. This should be illegal. Look at these tires. They built up the land out back here with these tires. It was probably done way back in the day. Oh my God, isn't that something? Yeah, that really should be illegal. I can't believe that. You'd think in this modern age that you wouldn't be able to do shit like that. Alright. We're out of here. Don't forget to like and subscribe as usual. Alright, talk to you guys later.